Welcome back to Think Sharp Ali. Your daily dose of board exam prep starts now. Here is today's must-know MCQ for class 10.
The graph looks simple, but can you tell the signs of A, B and C? If the diagram shows the graph of a polynomial fx equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, then what can you say about the sign of A, B and C? First, look at the shape. The parabola opens downward. So, here A is less than 0. Now, let's check the y-intercept. Where does the graph cuts the y-axis? Here. That means above x-axis, which means C is greater than 0. Because if you put x equal to 0 in the function, so f0 is equal to C, because this first two terms vanishes. Now, the tricky part. The graph cuts the x-axis at 2 points, one positive root, another negative root. But the negative root is farther from 0 than the positive root. So, the negative root has larger magnitude and hence the overall sum of the roots is negative. So, which means minus b by a is negative. This implies b by a must be positive. So b and a must have the same sign, but we already know a is less than 0, which implies b must be less than 0. Then only b by a will be positive, right? So the final answer is, since the graph is downward graph, so a is less than 0. Y-intercept is above x-axis, so c is greater than 0. And sum of the roots is negative, so b is less than 0. And if you got this right, you are thinking like a pro.
Subscribe to Think Sharp Ali and click that bell icon. Master one question every day. See you tomorrow.